Hi everyone, welcome to Finley's Farm. So today I've been to the shops and I've bought some treats for the chickens. I've bought some greens, some popcorn and some pecking blocks to give them a winter treat. Avian flu means that our birds can't do as much foraging outside. Without getting the enrichment our birds need, sometimes their welfare can be affected. So winter treats are an important part of your routine. So today I've got them some Cavolo Nero or kale, a nice hard cabbage, some fruit and berry popcorn treat, a fruit and berry pecking block, a garlic, herb and seaweed pecking block, and finally a corn and grit treat pecking block. So this should keep them busy for a while. What I'll do is I will hang all the treats from the ceiling of the run and let them peck away. So for the cabbage, I'm just going to drill a hole and string the rope through. So let's go for the fruit and berry popcorn treat next. And now onto the fruit and berry pecking block. Given them it for about 3 days now. It's been on the floor with them and they've been pecking away, but I've decided to move on to the next pecking block because it's taking so long. So this is the corn and grit treat. Let's hang it up. So this is the corn and grit pecking block, and I've given it about a day to get through, but there's not much damage to it, so I'm going to move on to the next one. So this is the garlic, herb and seaweed pecking block. Let's hang it up. So I've given all the treats to the chickens and ducks, and there were some clear favourites, so I'll go through that now. So in joint first place with the greens, the Cavolo Nero and cabbage did the best. Once they got used to the fact that they were hanging, they dug right in. I think because of avian flu, meaning they're not allowed out on grass, they're lacking greens in their diet, so supplementing it is really important. So in second place was the popcorn. It took them about half a day to get through the popcorn. Once they figured it out, they got right in. And in joint last place were all of the pecking blocks. So my chickens haven't really figured out pecking blocks. They have had a go, and you can see from the footage earlier that they've chipped away a little bit at it, but it's just taken them ages. and that might be a benefit of them because it takes them longer to get through, so it's more enriching for longer, but I'm just not quite sure about them. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and turn your post notifications on.